In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Desktop, how to split transaction. If you need to divide a customer payment across multiple transactions in QuickBooks Desktop, this is a very simple process once you know where to look. I'm going to walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, go to the payment transaction that you want to split. The goal here is to open the exact payment that was received so you can review how it's being applied. If you're not already viewing it, don't worry because the easiest way to find it is through the Customer Center. At the top of QuickBooks, click on Customers, then select Customer Center. This area gives you a full view of your customer list and related activity, which makes it much easier to locate the payment you need. Once you're in the Customer Center, find the customer who made the payment and select their profile. You should then be able to see their transaction history, including invoices, payments, and other related entries. Next, locate the payment you want to work with and double-click it to open the details. This is the key step because opening the payment lets you see exactly where that payment is currently applied. If a payment can be split between multiple open transactions, this is where you'll manage that. In the Payment Details window, you can check the boxes for the transactions you want to split the payment into. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct transactions. This is important because the payment will be allocated based on the boxes you choose. If you're working with several open invoices or charges, reviewing them carefully before saving can help prevent mistakes and save time later. Once you've selected the appropriate transactions, simply check their boxes and click Save. QuickBooks will then apply the payment according to your selections. And that's it. The transaction has been split. This is a useful feature when one customer payment needs to be distributed across more than one transaction, and using the Payment Detail window gives you direct control over how that payment is assigned. Just remember to confirm you're editing the correct customer payment before saving any changes. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.